Yes, Panchakarma is a solution for solving these problems, but how, that is more important, because Panchakarma is not a single term, it is a very high level procedure, very highly scientific, and varieties in its methods, selection of drugs and usage, so many factors are there. Just introduce a Panchakarma, that is not the aspect, this theory behind Panchakarma. So, we have to see what is the necessity of that particular individual, that is more important. So, Panchakarma has various properties, effects in its action. It has there should be the property of detoxification. If there is some unwanted accumulation etc., or if it is highly unscientific or not necessary, that things are accumulated, then that type of treatment is necessary. That means to detoxify the body, or cleansing. If there is accumulations are there, deposits are there should be cleaning, and if there is deficiency, it should be supplied, nourished, then that is Brahmana type. Or if it is there this abnormalities, then it should be Anilomana or Shamana type, and like that so many intentions are there behind introducing a Panchakarma therapy. So, for this there are different types of medicines, different types of drugs are there to be selected, and if it is related to his mental and his mind and its related factors, that type of medicines are necessary. There we have to solve the fatigue of that realm. For that very particular drugs are there, procedures also are there. So, that also comes under the chapter of Panchakarma, but not only this single thing. By doing something for this fatigue of mind, it will not solve the problem. We have to make the body strong enough or healthy enough to shoulder that burden also. That will be the aim of the Panchakarma treatment. If that problem is more concentrated on a particular organ, then there will be a very particular disease will be there. So, that Panchakarma should be treatment oriented, that can be termed as treatment of a disease. So, for the treatment purpose, whether Panchakarma can be used, yes, it can be used, but not the whole system or whole Panchakarma is not necessary for them, because their problem will be more concentrating on a particular organ or by the defect of the particular karma of a particular system. So, the aim of the Panchakarma or aim of the treatment will be focused on maintaining that particular karma only. That can be termed as treatment. Then we can say treatment oriented Panchakarma, that also is possible. Usually common people are more concerned with their diseases. That if there is a defect in a particular organ, then they will be having one necessity to solve that problem. So, they are not thinking, they are not at all thinking the overall health of the body. They will be focusing on that particular organ or particular sign or symptom. So, to solve that problem, that will be the intention of their approaching a doctor or a treatment system. So, they are going to that level, that is a treatment level. So, there are another group and they liked or they demand the healthy body or healthy minds. For that we cannot consider a single organ or a single unit, because this is just like a machine, there are different parts are there. We have to consider the overall functioning system. For that Panchakarma will be absolutely necessary. So, people think that by cleaning the body everything will be correct, not like that. Cleaning is one aspect, that is sure, but in the same way it will not finish in that level. By cleaning the machine will not be working in full condition. maintenance is necessary. That is the difference. Cleansing or detoxification is absolutely necessary for a healthy body. Side by side, we have to do repair works, which is deficient to add on that, which is over, remove that, which is necessary for normal functioning, continuous usage of these are all under this head. So, like that only we can keep a healthy mind and body. So, both are equally important. Give a perfect treatment for a particular organ which is highly demanding its maintenance, that is treatment aspect, and another aspect is to keep the body overall healthy, to perform its overall functions, to keep a healthy mind and body, that is another aspect. Both are equally important. We can select which is more important, that is the necessity of the patient, demand of the patient, and also the expertise of the doctor. Both are equally important in this particular aspects.